Yeah, Cleveland Avenue. I was thinking this is Metropolitan Parkway, which used to be Stewart Avenue. Yeah, Stewart Avenue had a pretty notorious but well-earned reputation, and the city of Atlanta trying to change the image, change the name. There's the Gold Rush show bar. And right there on the left used to be Nelly Chevrolet. Just an empty lot now. Flashers. I guess Flashers is gone now too. If I'm not mistaken, somebody help me out. There used to be a restaurant up here with a tree growing up in the middle of it. It was a very good restaurant. Really liked it. I guess I should have stopped for him. He didn't mash the button though. The light, well, the burning lights, flashing lights for that. Got to watch. Need to stop for these people. But it seems like it's right along in here somewhere. There was a very good restaurant with a tree in the middle of it. A little help from the viewers. I need a lot of help from the viewers. I give out so much wrong information, it's actually pathetic. I don't do it intentionally, except every now and then. Crossing under Lakewood Freeway. They call it Lakewood Freeway here, 166. Okay, let's start another one from Lakewood Avenue. That'd be a good break point. Sunday, July the 17th, 2022, about 10 till 1. Metropolitan Boulevard, Georgia 3, US 19, US 41 North. It used to be Stewart Avenue. We're looking for a bite to eat. I'm hungry. We were just talking about how much wrong information I give out. Not intentionally, but every now and then, maybe some intentionally, but for the most part, I just get stuff wrong. Either my memory's mistaken or I just wrong. Bar and Bistro. Yeah, old Stewart Avenue. ganglivesmatter.com. Oh man. Maybe we'll get up here in Atlanta and get us a nice train. I'm sure most everybody knows, especially all the Atlanta people, know what the first name of Atlanta was. It was Terminus, because the railroads terminated, I think it was about 7 miles northwest of Decatur. And then it went to Marthasville. Milledgeville was the state capital. Now, during the Civil War, I don't know if Atlanta was the state capital or Milledgeville was still the state capital. I'll have to check with my assistant, or, you know, get some viewer participation. I should know that. I used to know it, I'm sure. I just forgot it. Very nice day, very nice drive. Not that much traffic. Like I said, it's Sunday, about 1 o'clock. Old Stewart Avenue, Metropolitan Boulevard. Okay, the GoPro is taking over for the Osmo this time. This is rather unusual. The Osmo got hot cut off mid-video, so we're going to have to figure out where it's at. Coming up Old Stewart Avenue, Metropolitan Boulevard, into the south end of Atlanta. Northside Drive, US 1941, Georgia 3. Scott's Barbecue. I wonder if that barbecue's any good. Okay, 19 and 41. Okay, it crosses right here. We're still on 1941. Yeah, and I was wrong about going by Fort Mac. That would be over to the left of us over there, going down Lee Street. Space for film and events. Rather large homeless place here under the bridge. Whitehall Street. Coming up to the, what do they call it, the Benz? Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Now we have also got US 29 has come in. I suspect it is busy and good. Awful lot of business goes on in Pascals. A lot of city decisions are being made, or they are made there. Mercedes-Benz Stadium, there it is. I have never been in there, and I do not anticipate ever going in there.